Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into your Xbox and confirming network access. This lets Edge load pages smoothly. Once done, press the Xbox button and search or open apps to find Microsoft Edge, then launch it. Use the controller's thumbstick to move the cursor and press it to select. If you have a USB or Bluetooth keyboard, plug it in to type faster. Make sure to grant any requested permissions so Edge can access media and input, which speeds browsing and video playback. Next, learn tab control and navigation so you can multitask. Open the Tabs menu to create or close tabs. Use LB and RB to quickly cycle between them for fast switching. Once a page loads, move to the address bar and type a URL or search phrase. Edge supports voice or hardware keyboard input if you prefer. If a page is busy, enable Reading View or add it to favorites for later. These steps keep your browsing organized and reduce repeated loading. Finish by optimizing performance and knowing one key fix. If pages are slow or won't load, clear Edge's cache or reset the app from settings and then restart the console. This solves most issues. Make sure Xbox system software and Edge are up to date, and if streaming is choppy, switch to a wired Ethernet connection for stability. If problems persist, sign out and back into your profile or create a new browser profile to rule out corrupted settings. This usually restores normal browsing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.